Hello, in this video I will show you how to operate OpenTTD Discord bot. First thing that you need to do to start using the bot is registering the server. With this way you will be able to use other commands on your server. So the first thing that we need is an IP of the server and admin port to the server and the name of the server. The name of the server will be the local because it's hosted on my local machine. And right now we need to change password. Change password will grant us ability to pass password to the server. After that, our bot will ask us about the password, and if we provide the incorrect password, the bot will inform us about that because bot is trying to connect to the server at this moment. And after bot succeeds, then bot will disconnect quickly from the server. So we have our server, but I have the second server. And the server is hosted on my Raspberry Pi, so I will call it Pi. And I also need to change password for Pi server. And I need to provide password. Okay, that's very good. So after this one is completed, we can connect all those servers in one big chat room connected with Discord. To do this, we need to register chat server. So I need to register local, I need to register Pi, and after that's completed, you will be able to see that when I write something over here, then this message will be received on the different server. And if I write it here, you will also see that on the different server. And all the messages will be also displayed on the Discord. So if I write something here, you will be able to see that on the Discord, and you can very clearly see that the message was from the Discord. The next functionality that I'm going to cover is admin channel. Admin channel lets you execute recon commands on your server. And you can have only one server registered per Discord channel. This is very important. So to register to admin channel, I need the server name and prefix. So I will use the exclamation mark as a prefix. And right now I can execute all commands if I write them correctly. So I'm trying to get the seed of the server, and I have the seed. I can see clients and I can see companies. I can do everything that you can do normally with the recon commands. It's very easy to stop. And of course you can also say something if you have that need, and it will be displayed on the server. And this is a local server, that's correct, so it's a desert one. And you see I can write things as a server. The last functionality for admin port is report channel. And basically, if you create a report channel, you can enable the report functionality for your servers, which will enable you, or rather for your players, to report some dangerous, malicious situations on your server. So basically right now the report module is on, so let's write some messages to have more information in the report. And I can write report something something, and this report should be generated shortly on the Discord. As you see, the new report was created. It's created as a file. You can see that this was a Pi server, when was it created and by who. And you can open this file and you can see all the information, when it was created, by who, why, and information about your connected clients, and also the last chat messages. The last thing that you can do with the OpenTTD Discord bot is subscribing to basic server info. Basically, it will create a message like this for your server, and we will use it here. So I will use the bot, I will subscribe to server, I will subscribe to local, and I'm using different port right now than admin port because this functionality is working on the UDP port. And after a while, so maximum time is like 1 minute, you will be able to see the message about the local server. And we can also insert the P server here. So this is basically the message that was created by subscribe service. It will create a very small message with auto-updating messages, which will contain information about current server state. This is a very nice kind of message that you can pin in your channel, and your users will be able to see the server status in the top. I'm using it like that on one of our Polish servers, and it works quite well. And I think that's all when it comes to main essential comments in OpenTTD Discord bot. I hope this bot will prove useful to you. And if you have any bugs, please report them on the GitHub project page, and I will deal with them. Thank you very much.